video.
Skylan, who are you holding?
My new bird.
It is not your new bird. What's its name?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Artimus.
How do you not know?
Artimus.
This is Leigha and Patrick's new bird, and Skylan wants it. Give him a kiss. Oh. You can do it like that, sis. If you turn your head.
Oh,
Oh.
that's a sweet bird.
Skylan just married him. We had a wedding.
Only in this household.
Step down. Step up. Step up.
Give him another kiss. I can see it better like this.
Say kiss, kiss.
Oh, where you going, dude? Where you going?
Step up. Step up. Step up.
No, give him a
Kissy
kiss.
kiss.
Aww.
Careful,
Whoa,
babe.
it screamed at you.
You gotta be careful with the big hands.
Hello.
That didn't hurt, did it?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Well, imagine if it really bit you.
I think he was just scared.
You gotta be careful because he's still not sure about hands.
Hello, hello. Ow!
He lost his balance.